earth does not belong to man. Man belongs to earth. Quite often we forget this and take the earth for granted. Hello everyone, I am Meghna Major. On Earth Day 2021, I would like to take a moment and share with you a few pertinent thoughts that we all need to remember, practice and share. The theme of Earth Day 2021 is Restore Our Earth. This year, the focus is on natural processes, emerging green technologies and innovative thinking that can restore the world's ecosystems. There is also an emphasis on transformative climate education, asking educators all across the globe to push for climate literacy so the leaders of tomorrow can prepare solutions today. We, the students of the world, are the leaders of tomorrow. So, as we prepare to learn how to restore our earth, let's remember to do the right things for our planet because we only have one earth. Plant more trees, conserve water, and reduce, reuse, and recycle. My dear friend Karen Rose Kataram is now going to recite a few lines from the poem Planet Earth by Michael Jackson. In this simple yet poignant ode to our planet, MJ implores us to pay attention to the world around us, else, he warns, the consequences would be dire. Released in 2010, this poem has now become all the more relevant as we have been experiencing climate change like never before. Karen, over to you.
Planet Earth. Planet Earth, my home, my place, a capricious anomaly in the sea of space. Planet Earth, are you just floating by a cloud of dust, a minor globe about to bust, a piece of metal bound to rust, a speck of matter in a mindless void, a lonely spaceship, a large asteroid, cold as a rock without a hue, held together with a bit of glue. Something tells me this isn't true. You are my sweetheart, soft and blue. Do you care? Have you a part in the deepest emotions of my own heart? In my veins, I've felt the mystery of corridors of time, books of history, life songs of ages throbbing in my blood, have danced the rhythm of the tide and flood. Your misty clouds, your electric storm, were turbulent tempests in my own form. I've licked the salt, the bitter, the sweet, of every encounter, of passion, of heat. Your riotous color, your fragrance, your taste have thrilled my senses beyond all haste. In your beauty, I've known the how of timeless bliss, these moments of now. Thank you.